Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very exciting video for you, especially for those of you who want to upgrade your home or office hydration game. We're taking a deep dive into 3 of the top water dispensers for 2025, the Avalon A4, the Brio CLBL520SC, and the Frigidaire EFWC498. If you're tired of constantly refilling your water cooler or dealing with bulky water bottles, these top-of-the-line dispensers are about to change the game. But which one is right for you? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the Avalon A4. This bottom-loading water dispenser is perfect for people who want convenience, style, and multi-temperature functionality all in one device. The Avalon A4 offers 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature. This makes it ideal for a variety of needs, whether you're preparing a hot cup of tea, filling a glass of cold water on a hot day, or just keeping it at room temperature for easy access. One of the standout features of the Avalon A4 is its energy efficiency. Thanks to its ability to control each temperature setting individually, you won't waste energy by keeping the hot water on all the time. Plus, with the child safety lock on the hot water dispenser, you don't have to worry about little hands accidentally getting scalded. The sleek design of this dispenser, combined with the LED nightlight, makes it a great choice for modern homes or offices. It's also equipped with a bottle level indicator, so you'll never be caught off guard by an empty water bottle again. The Avalon A4 is the perfect combination of function, safety, and modern style. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable water dispenser with all the essential features, this is it. Next, let's dive into the Brio CLBL520SC, another fantastic water dispenser that's packed with incredible features. Unlike traditional top-loading dispensers, the Brio CLBL520SC is a bottom-loading model, which means no more lifting heavy bottles. This dispenser provides 3 different temperatures: hot, cold, and room temperature, giving you versatility for whatever you need. Whether it's for a quick cup of coffee, a cold refreshing drink, or just filling up for the day, the Brio CLBL520SC has you covered. A key feature of the Brio CLBL520SC is its self-cleaning function, which uses ozone technology to sanitize the dispenser's water reservoir automatically. This ensures that the water you're drinking is always fresh and clean, which is a huge plus when it comes to maintaining hygiene without needing to constantly clean the unit yourself. The Brio CLBL520SC also has a LED indicator that lets you know when the unit needs to be cleaned. For those who value both performance and convenience, the Brio CLBL520SC is an excellent option, offering smart features, easy operation, and a high-end aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any modern kitchen or office space. Finally, let's talk about the Frigidaire EFWC498. Known for its modern design and reliable performance, this water dispenser is perfect for anyone looking for a no-fuss solution to getting clean, filtered water at the right temperature. The Frigidaire EFWC498 offers hot and cold water options, making it versatile enough for everyday use. Whether you need a hot cup of tea or a refreshing cold glass of water, this dispenser delivers. And with its stylish stainless steel accents, it fits well in both home and office settings. What sets this model apart is its child safety lock on the hot water faucet, giving you peace of mind if you have little ones around. The Frigidaire EFWC498 is also designed to be energy efficient, helping you save on electricity bills while enjoying filtered water on demand. This water dispenser is easy to maintain, and its compact design ensures that it won't take up too much space in your kitchen or office. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and stylish water dispenser, the Frigidaire EFWC498 is a solid choice.